Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Move! Today, guys, we're here with 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yes, for the first time, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿, big up yourself with 1 day. Yes, official music video. Big up yourself, my J. And big up the whole of Mango Valley St. Mary, man. Yeah, man. Big up the whole of Mango Valley, man. Big up on yourself. Team in, big up yourself for the rhythm, my G. Big up yourself for the rhythm. And big up I4 Entertainment who produce it. Yes, my headphone drop off, but this thing not gonna stop the show. You know, a show must go. When me speak like Bunty, I don't know. But guys, what me I say? If you don't rate that one here, I'm gonna leave the link to this one in the comment section, pin at the top of the comment section. You can go check it out. Also, this one is on all social media platforms, alright? So make sure you go over my channel for more information, which will be pinned in the comment section. Alright? So I'm gonna jump in the one here and see what 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 have to say, man. Let's go, man. Catch it from my head. I lie, but I'm not valid. Let's go. All right, let's go.
What I would do is I would maintain that house. I would find me a job.
Brighter days ahead. Just believe in yourself.
Positive message already. Positive message already.
Believe in yourself. Oh yeah. Life can be tough sometimes. Full of trials and pain, but don't let it break you or drive you insane.
Hold on, man. Hold on, I spot something when me want to talk about for a second. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, why you have on two different foot of shoes in some part of the video? What go on this? Why you have on two different foot of shoes? What is significant? Let's get back to the message though.
What I would do is I would maintain that house. I would find me a job.
Brighter days ahead. Just believe in yourself.
Two different foot of shoes. As a person who do reaction like them, something I go blast, catch me right away, boom. So more on the significance. So please tell me in the comment section, what is it about? Ready?
Believe in yourself.
Yeah, man, believe in yourself for 24 hours. Me always tell you no. Let's go.
Life can be tough sometimes. Full of trials and pain.
Yeah.
But don't let it break you or drive you insane.
Facts. Life can be tough sometimes, full of trials and tribulation and pain. But guess what? Don't make it break you no. Don't make it break you no. Like overcoming. Your mother don't tell you say, we shall overcome. I want to do that. Remember say, tough time don't last, but tough people do. Let's go again. Let's go.
I would find me a job.
Tough time don't last, tough people do. Yeah, man.
Just believe in yourself.
Just believe. Also look for your job. If you could, you would. Ready?
Life can be tough sometimes. Full of trials and pain. But don't let it break you or drive you insane.
Sure.
Keep on pushing, don't give up the fight. Stronger than you know, you will be alright. I just one day, things are gonna better. One day.
What kind of more positive message that you don't want? Eh? The time when you don't get up and I complain about the liquor we don't have. How about you not give praises for what you really have? Because remember, say, enough people out there don't have what you have to, you know. Remember, you know, there's people out there in worse situation than you. Always remember that. So give praises, man. Give thanks. Yeah, man.
Brighter days ahead.
Brighter days ahead.
Just believe in yourself.
Just
believe in yourself.
Black that one, I swear, black that one. Black that one, I'm a G.
Life can be tough sometimes. Full of trials and pain.
Yeah.
But don't let it break you or drive you insane. Keep on pushing, don't give up the fight. Stronger than you know, you will be alright. I just one day. Things are gonna better one day.
One day, one day.
You are gonna make it out one day.
Yeah, man, believe.
One day.
Once you have life, you have everything. One of them not that shit way. Yeah, man, let's go. Why?
People may try to bring you down to make you smile, but don't make their negative talk make you fall. Stay true to yourself and follow your path.
Sticks and stones will break my bones, but word will never hurt. Listen what the G just said a while ago, man. Listen, man.
One day.
Listen, man.
People may try to bring you down to make you smile.
Let me go try.
But don't make their negative talk make you fall.
You hear that? Don't make them negative talk make you fall. You hear me? I say, believe in yourself. Be strong within yourself. Believe. More time when you see some people that chat bad about you, them feel threatened. They are threatened by your presence. They are threatened. They know your capability. Them see it. So them feel threatened. So them I go try and bring it down. Don't make them. Yo, put up a song again, man. Ready? Unbuckle bad song, man. Bad song, man.
Brighter days ahead.
JAMAICA'S, guys. Full video.
Just believe.
Look at the comment section. Go back page. Go show him some love. Yeah, man.
Believe in how you say yeah.
What the fuck? Why go?
Life can be tough sometimes. Full of trials and pain.
Yeah.
But don't let it break you or drive you insane.
No.
Keep on pushing. Don't give up the fight. It's stronger than you know. You.
Can I just touch on something? I don't think him have on two different photo shoes. I think it was the camera angle. For some reason, I don't know.
Will be alright.
Why go?
I just
One day. Me catch it already.
Things are gonna better.
Chorus catch it.
One day. You are gonna make it out.
One day.
Things are gonna
Oh,
better. One day.
Binds. Why go?
People may try to bring you down to make you smile.
No follow them.
But don't make their negative talk make you fall. Stay true to yourself and follow your path.
Believe.
Put your mind to it and achieve anything you want.
Yes, man.
I just
One day.
Things are gonna better. One day. You are gonna make it out.
One day, yeah. Oh, fuck
One day.
catch it.
One day, yeah. Life can be tough sometimes, full of trials and pain. But don't let it break you
Where you go?
or drive you insane.
Yeah.
Keep on pushing, don't give up the fight. You're stronger than you know. You will be alright.
I just
One day. Things are gonna better.
One day.
You are gonna make it out. One day.
Let me ask you something.
Things are gonna better. One day.
How do you look on the glass here? Half full or half empty? Half full or half empty?
You are gonna make it out.
Think about that. Think about how you look on the glass a while ago. If it's half full for you or half empty for you. Oh, it does have on two different photo shoes. See it here? Yes, man. Me catch you now. Me no catch you now. See that you have on two different photo shoes. Me no catch you now. Why you have on two different photo shoes? That me ask you. Why? Buckler. Bad song, man. Bad song, dog. Yo! JAMAICA'S, big up yourself, bitch. Big up the whole of Mango Valley. Yes, man. Big up the whole of Mango Valley, dog. St. Mary. Proud of an artist, man. Proud of an artist, dog. The G talented. The G. Yo, the message in the song, believe in yourself. You see me? Yes, have faith. Remember, say faith move mountain, you know. Have faith, believe in yourself. Work hard to whatever you want. And though this is a negative pussy wall when I'm a chat. Deaf. Blind. Nige boy. Yes, like I said earlier on, big up the production team, another one, yeah. I4 Entertainment, big up yourself. You see me? Yes, big up yourself. And big up JAMAICA'S, big up the production team. Yes, JAMAICA'S, yeah, do it, me G. Yes, like it. Yes, and also big up T-Main T-Man, big up yourself, T-Man, big up yourself from Mango Valley said way too. Don't know, say it's an in-house thing, you know? Big up the whole of Mango Valley. Let me know what you guys think about this one though. Guys, please go in the comment section. It's going in the comment section. The link is down there, feet. I'll catch you guys down there. Let me know what you think. Alright? Alright. Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.